Hello and welcome back to Clappingo's Ultimate Introduction series, where you can master your self-introduction for any situation in personal or professional life. The most important thing that you can do for yourself is to figure out who you are and what you would like people to know about you. The idea simply is to make your introduction interesting yet authentic. Just a heads up, it's never ever a good idea to include false information just for the sake of appearing interesting, because it can really put off your listener and we don't want that, right? So maybe a good way to start is to create a mind map or a list of prompts. Now let me help you there. You can choose from the following prompts about what fits most in your introduction. So for starters, you can of course begin with your name. Now this could be your full name or just your first name, or your first and last name, depending on the situation. You can also talk about your profession, as in your job, your department, your profile, or your years of experience. You can also talk about where you are from, as in your hometown, your place of birth, your current place of residence. And in case you moved around a lot in your childhood, you can also talk about your place or places of education. You know what also makes your introduction really interesting is talking about your hobbies and interests. So you can of course include 2-3 interesting hobbies or interests that you like indulging in your spare time. And also you can talk about your personality traits to add some extra spark to your introduction. Once you have a fair idea of all this information, you can easily use different combinations of these facts to introduce yourself in any scenario. Now I understand totally that a lot of us find it difficult to figure out this information in the first place. But once you have a clear idea of all of this information and all of these facts, you can easily plug it into appropriate templates and also find interesting ways to frame it and to frame your introduction right. In case you're struggling to figure yourself out, don't worry. As you watch more videos in this series, you will find numerous examples that will help you figure yourself out. And also, now that we've given you the basics, you can find more examples and tips and tricks to help you navigate any situation in the rest of the videos. What you can also do is, you can either watch the videos that apply to your regular scenarios, or you can watch the entire series. The choice is totally yours.